Hello viewers, welcome back. So we are almost done with defining the model. Now let's complete. So make a function of model. Model. So I am defining the function in the model.py file. So you will be doing the same. Now take help of input layer equal to tensorflow.keras.layers.input. Pass out there the shape of image 416 comma 416 comma 3. So give out their feature maps equal to Yolo V3 equal to pass the input layer. So I am passing this input layer to this Yolo V3 function, and from there I am getting conv, small box, medium box, large box, and obviously after that I'll be decoding them. So keep out there box tensors equal to blank, and for I and fm in enumerate feature maps, pass out there box tensor decode out there. So I am calling this decode function. So pass out there the fm and I, and bb box tensor dot append. So I am appending this box tensor. Now so I got input and output. Now all I have to do to model. So model equal to tensorflow.keras.model. So I have to give input layer and the box tensors. So I am done. Now if I want to see the summary, let's call this function here. So model equal to model. Now I want to see the summary. So model dot summary. So let's see. Oh, sorry, I have to return the model. So run the code. Hopefully I will not get any error. Okay, so I am getting some errors. So let's debug them. In the line 28 I have given, okay, so line 28, okay, so there are two commas out there. Run the code again. Okay, cannot import unsample, so I have given unsample out there instead of upsample. Again there is an error, so let's debug. Kernel regularizes. Okay. So go to the common blocks out there, and you can see out there I have given kernel regularizer. So let's check. So give out there tensorflow dot what should I give? Keras. Okay, tensorflow dot keras dot regularizers. I think that should works. Okay, saved. Now run the model file. I don't know how many errors I will get. Again. So constant initializer, okay, has no constant initializer. So let's see again. I'm sorry for the errors. So constant initializer. Now run the code. Okay. Okay, another thing not defined. So in the upsample, I have made another mistake. X. So I have made a mistake out there. Pass out the X. Okay. Now it should work. Convolutional. So in which line? Equal to down sample equal to true. So let's see. So convolutional. Okay, I didn't put any comma out there. So here I have given unsample instead of upsample. Okay, what are the again unsample? Just put out there upsample. Any other upsampling? Okay, so these two are the upsamples. Okay, fine. Let's run the code. X is not defined. So let's check again. So by mistake I didn't define X and Y out there. So just write these two line of code. Put these two line of code in decode function. It should work. Anchors. Okay, anchors. Anchors. Oh, so at last we are done with making the model. So you can see I have total parameters of 62,001,757 and trainable parameters are 61,949,149 and total non-trainable parameters are 52,608. So this is all for this tutorial. We are done with making the model. In the next tutorial we are going to load weights from GoPro dataset and then we will go for prediction. So this is all. Thanks for watching.